Hi, I'm Asada and I'm going to show you how to prepare popped amaranth. You will need a half cup of amaranth seeds, about 1 tablespoon of agave, and about 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Start by heating a small, lightweight, non-stick pan with a lid over medium to high heat. The pan needs to be very hot for the amaranth to pop, and the pan should be light enough for you to shake the amaranth about and dump the pan quickly and easily. Make sure that you have a heat-safe bowl nearby to dump the amaranth into after popping. Use a teaspoon or a small spoon to scoop the amaranth from its container into the pan. Quickly replace the lid so the amaranth doesn't pop all over the place. Ensure that the amaranth is in one layer in the pan. All of it needs to touch the pan surface so that it pops properly. After about 3 to 5 seconds, move the pan about so that the unpopped seeds are certainly touching the pan surface. Don't keep the pan stagnant or some of the seeds will burn. When the popping has stopped or nearly stopped, remove the pan from the heat, dump the amaranth, and replace the pan over the heat. You'll do this process until you have all of the amaranth you want popped. For this video, I popped about 10 teaspoons of amaranth. When you've popped all of your amaranth, turn the heat off and remove the pan. Now you can begin working with your bowl of popped amaranth. The amount of coconut oil, agave, and sea salt you use will be determined by how much amaranth you pop and the taste you want to achieve. A little goes a long way. I used about 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, about 1 tablespoon of agave, and about 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Mix it all together until all of the seeds are coated. If you like, you can add chopped walnuts, Brazil nuts, dried cherries, or dates for a heartier snack or cereal. Store in an airtight container and enjoy as you please. Thanks for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Until next time. Do you want to switch to a plant-based lifestyle? Visit AssataBAKES.com for details on how to purchase this plant-based starter kit.